Dëshiroj të ftoj gjithashtu për të adresuar të tryez një organizat ndërkombëtare partnere të përhershme të Qendrës për Çështje Informimit Publik, Këshillin e Evropës, dhe kam kënaqësinë t'ia jap fjalës shefes së zyrës së Evropës, të Këshillit të Evropës në Tiranë, zonjës Giulia, për të adresuar me fjalën e saj këtë tryezë, e cila në tematikën e saj qendrore ka pikërisht eficiencën, ku dhe vetë Këshilli ofron tashmë një asistencë konsoliduar për organet e pavarura të drejtësisë në Shqipëri. Fjala për ju, Sonja Re.
Thank you very much. First of all, Your Excellency, dear representatives of justice institutions, dear partners and participants, Mr. Shella has mentioned it already and made it very clear. This is about Article 6 of the European Convention of Human Rights. So I can say that efficiency and quality of justice are the core of Council of Europe assistance, and it goes also, of course, in the direction of the Strasbourg Court case law, as well as the European Commission for the Efficiency of Justice Standards, our CEPEJ. I would like to thank you as organizers for giving me the opportunity to share with you a few insights related to our joint work with the European Union on the ongoing judicial reform and the justice institutions in Albania. The transformative reform of the judicial system has as primary aim to strengthen and consolidate independence, impartiality, and the professionalism in order to provide qualitative services to the Albanian citizens. For more than 9 years, CEPEJ has been working in Albania through the Council of Europe, European Union action on strengthening the efficiency and quality of justice in Albania, therefore providing direct assistance to improving efficiency and quality of the Albanian justice system. As a specialized institution within the Council of Europe, CEPEJ is actively engaged in assisting member states in improving efficiency and quality of justice and bringing the judiciary up to Council of Europe standards. Its support is built on the needs of the main beneficiaries and partners, aiming to support new judicial institutions and domestic courts in their daily functioning and in implementing priority recommendations in the fields of efficiency and quality of justice, but also adapting CEPEJ methodologies to the national context. In the last few years, we have been working closely with the main justice institutions, and in particular with the High Judicial Council, then the High Inspectorate of Justice, but of course also the courts at all levels to address some of the important challenges. I want to mention first the use of statistical data through a unified methodology for data collection as an appropriate tool to ensure the measurement and monitoring of efficiency and productivity within the courts. The methodology guiding the development of the new judicial map, as it has been mentioned, it's also based on CEPEJ guidelines, and we will continue our assistance in implementing its regulatory framework. But also, and not more recently in Vlora on Friday, we have been piloting web-based satisfaction surveys for court users to identify and analyze shortcomings and why not also strengths, and try to redress them in a coordinated manner together with the relevant institutions. And these tools will be rolled out across the country and are very useful to improve court accountability, management, but also, as it has been mentioned, and it's very important, the confidence of the public towards the justice institutions. This has been done in Tirana already, and we launched it, as I said, very recently on Friday in Vlora. We're also piloting online communication between court and lawyers in the Tirana District Court, and this is an action that really aims at speeding things up with real-time notifications on court hearings, and it is exactly done in order to reduce the length of proceedings. More recently, we're also engaged in the development of the new unified and interoperable case management and information system that will enable the automatic production of statistical reports and will, again, ultimately have a positive impact of the efficiency for the courts. It's one of our core subjects in our projects. We also do capacity building, and I want to mention, of course, the work done with the School of Magistrates to improve the professional education of new magistrates in relation to CEPEJ tools and methodologies. But we have also been working with the newly hired judicial inspectors of the Inspectorate of Justice, including with the assistance of the European Network of Justice Inspector Service, and further supporting them in bringing the service up to European standards. On this occasion, I also want to mention the dashboard for the Western Balkans as a regional action for which Albania is one of the beneficiaries. This action is funded by the European Commission and the Council of Europe in the framework of our joint program called the Horizontal Facility 3, and it's implemented once again by CEPEJ. It encompasses it's a comprehensive data collection exercise that involves the 6 beneficiaries. And following the CEPEJ methodology, the action team will collect, check, and analyze data regarding budget, personnel, case flow, legal aid, training, mediation, but also judicial integrity and accountability. And to this point, we appreciate the continuous efforts undertaken by civil society organizations like the one today, as well as active media reporting, which complement well with the initiatives that we want to support and contribute to reach a much better measurement of the results of the judicial reforms and to use data to improve concretely the quality, efficiency, and accountability of the justice system in line with European standards. So we fully encourage the continuation of the initiated reforms in all the areas mentioned by me and by the previous speakers, and we hope to continue this fruitful cooperation and interaction with the Albanian partners to contribute to further strengthening the efficiency and quality of justice in Albania, never forgetting the final beneficiaries, the citizens of all our actions. Thank you very much.
Ju falenderit shumë zonja Re për praninë tuaj, për prezantimin tuaj.